money, cause I be the baddie beat. Barbie tank, banging body beat. Everybody beat on my D. Yo, I gotta be.
Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel, and I am back with another video. This video is going to be all about this hair and the glue that I use to apply this unit. So I decided to try a new adhesive. I typically use the Gots to Be gel to adhere my wigs, but there was a lot of talk about that Esha lace glue. I've tried Ghost Bond glue before and I wasn't too fond of it because it's just, but I want to give this glue a try. So I went to my local beauty supply and they had kind of like the size of eyelash glue, but it was $6. So I was like, you know what, this would be the perfect opportunity to spend a little bit of money and try the glue. So to get into the specs on this hair is the loose wave texture, and this is from the company Ali Grace Hair. If you're interested in seeing how I apply this and what I think about the Esha Absolute Lace Glue, stay tuned for the rest of the video. bundles are in the lengths of a 22, a 24, two 26s, and a 20-inch lace frontal. I did use all of the hair to complete this look, so this unit is super full. I usually don't double up on my last bundle, but I really do like the way this came out, so moving forward I might just do that. So this texture is super pretty, super low maintenance. I don't have any product in it. I did shampoo, condition, bleach the knots, co-wash the hair, and I let it sit. I did watercolor this hair jet black because it does come in a natural black color, which is kind of an off brown and like all of that. So I did use a watercolor method to color it jet black. Otherwise, there's no products, and I haven't changed the hair as far as like, you know, texture. I did wear this unit in a side part when I first installed it. So I've parted it a few different ways, and I don't get those little short hairs. So I definitely love a frontal that doesn't have those little beards, because then you have flyaways and it just looks like a wig. So as far as the length, it's definitely, I would consider this 26 to 28. It's long, like super long. And then when it comes to shedding, being these lengths, you do get a little bit of shedding, and it is a textured hair, so the hair is going to intertwine in some places. So you do get a little bit of shedding. It's not crazy, but yes, super long. Here, I'm going to turn around so you can see what it looks like in the back. But like I said, these are 4 bundles in the front tools. So as far as this glue, being that I purchased this little tiny one, there were no directions on there. So I did go to the website. The website tells you how to apply your wig using this glue. It's very similar to the Ghost Bond application. They tell you to apply a thin layer, let it dry. It does go on white, very similar to Ghost Bond, and it's suggested that you wait till it's transparent before you put your lace down, because otherwise you're going to see the white residue under your lace. So you wait until it's dry and then you tack it down. They suggest you don't use your fingers. I use this comb to tack down the lace, and the lace adheres super fast. Like, you can feel it holds right away. This is supposed to be moisture resistant, water resistant, so we'll see how long this lasts. I just applied this unit and I'll probably wear it for a few days, so I'm gonna sleep in it. We'll see how long it holds, and then I guess I'll let you guys know. But the bigger size was like this, and I think it was $20. So if I like it, and if it doesn't rip the baby hairs out of my wig, I might just purchase the full size. But this was the trial size. I think this was perfect. So yeah, I can't really give you a full in-depth detailed review on the glue. This is just my first time using it, what my initial thoughts are. But I'll be sure to let you guys know how I like it. As far as Allie Gray's hair, I absolutely love this hair, and I've had it for a while. I've actually had this installed since the week before Christmas. So for those of you that follow me on my other social media, which will be linked down below, you've seen this hair in a few videos, Snapchat, Instagram, and I do like it. I just switched it out for a little while, but now it's back, and yes, she's a keeper. But that's about it. So if you have any questions, drop that in the comment section, and until next time.